my new drum, a beautiful 12-inch Remo Renaissance. We have the fiber skin in Malaysia, but the only difference is the sound. To me, it sounds like a beautiful bell. Ding! Isn't it nice? Anyway, I'd like to review with you what we learned in May. I hope you've been practicing. It's been 5 months. I'm going to give you another little pattern today that you can practice until we meet again in December. So let's review. Remember that the frame drum represents the 4 elements, the 4 sounds, the basic sounds or strokes of the frame drum represent earth, water, fire, air. Earth is ka. Water is doom. Fire is tak. And cha is air. Let's review. Ka, 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 ka. Earth. Doom, 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 doom. Water. Tak, 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 tak. Fire. Down, up, down. Cha. Air. Down, up, down. We can do that in double time. Or on the fiber skin, use the back of your nails and down, up, down, double time. Okay, good. And we also had a beautiful pattern that we used, and a nice rhythm, very simple, and we played that when we initiated segment into our temple in Malacca. So let's review that. It was doom, doom, talk, talk, tick, doom, doom, talk. Now remember, you can play doom with your ring finger or your index finger. So I'm going to use my ring finger as we do doom, doom, talk, talk, tick, doom, doom, talk. Doom, doom, talk, talk, tick, doom, doom, talk. Remember to always say what you're playing. Say it out loud and it gets into your memory, because we will be learning patterns that are a little bit more involved. So learn to say what you're playing out loud. Doom, doom, talk, talk, tick, doom, doom, talk. Excuse me. Doom, doom, talk, talk, tick, doom, doom, talk. Let's speed that up. Doom, doom, talk, talk, tick, doom, doom, talk. Doom, doom, talk, talk, tick, doom, doom, talk. That's really good. Keep playing that. The next pattern that we learned was the basic Egyptian Nubian pattern, and it went like this. Doom, tick, tick, ka, tick, tick, ka, tick. Doom, tick, tick, ka, tick, tick, ka, tick. I hope you've learned that, because I'm going to teach you today another pattern that you can add to that. We're just going to keep adding to that basic pattern until you sound like a really good professional drummer. It's not hard. It's just practice. So let's speed that up. Doom, tick, tick, ka, tick, tick, ka, tick. 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 Good. Keep practicing. Now the pattern I want to add to it for you is really simple. And I'm going to say it first. It's doom, ka, taka, doom, taka, ka, ka. 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 Now I'll play it faster. Get these really clear. Your talk, 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 doom, ka, taka, doom, taka, ka, ka, doom, ka, taka, doom, taka, ka, ka, doom, ka, taka, doom, taka, ka, ka, doom, ka, taka, going to put those two patterns together. I'm going to add something for all you brave ones out there who want to get a little bit more involved with your drum and stretch and practice. It's using the second pattern that I just taught you, which is doom, ka, taka, doom, taka, ka, ka. But between every basic stroke, we're going to add a little tick down here. So listen. Doom, ka, taka, doom, taka, ka, ka. Now I'm going to add the little tick. Let me slow it down. The basic pattern. Now I'm going to add the tick. Give that a try. All right, so now I'm going to move to another new drum that I have. It's beautiful. It's about 3.5 inches deep. Has a nice big, let me see, groove in it here. It's so beautiful. It's a Glenn Velez. He's a world-renowned drummer. 13-inch tar. Has a great, rich sound. We can hand hold it, or we can use it on the lap. So since we learned some rhythms and patterns lap style, I will play them on the new Glenn Velez. So let me play you a little something so you can hear the different sound, the tone, this beautiful rich tone of this beautiful Glenn Velez drum. Isn't that great? All right, so what we learned in our last class was doom, tak, doom, cha. And I taught that to you by using the thumb. Doom, doom. Tak up here. Remember the hand position. 12 o'clock, turn it sideways, your ring finger. Or you can do your third finger if you want, but this feels really comfortable with the ring finger. And then we added the cha to it. So we're going to go doom, tak, doom, cha. Down, up, down. Doom, tak, doom, cha. Doom, tak, doom. I'm going to do double time. Doom, tak, doom. Doom, tak, doom. Doom, tak, doom. Good. Then we learned tak, doom, tak, cha. Tak, doom, tak, cha. It's a reverse. Tak, doom, tak, cha. Let's add double time. Tak, doom, tak, cha. Tak, doom, tak, cha. And now I'm going to speed that up and give it a nice accent. We're accenting the tak. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, cha. 1, 2, 3, cha. 1, 2, 3, double time. Good. The next thing I taught you was the split hand technique, and it's called kitty taka. Kitty taka. Now remember, we place our hand flat on the drum, okay? And to get this down right, just split your fingers, 3 together and your 2, your thumb and your index. And all you're going to do to practice this is lift them one at a time. And you can see that my whole arm, the muscles in my arm are moving. It's not just the hand. I'm using my whole arm. Kitty taka, kitty taka. And say it. Kitty taka, kitty taka, kitty taka, kitty taka, kitty taka. And you get that down pat until you can let off a blur with your hand. It's really a nice sound. So we're going to learn this next beat, now this is new. We learned this last time, just kitty taka, and hopefully you've been practicing. You've had 5 months. So this rhythm is something new. So it's kitty, oh, wait a minute. It's kitty doom talk. 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 Oh, that's such a great sound. You can add that into any of your rhythms once you get that down pat. So that's the next rhythm that you didn't learn in May, that if you practice, by the time I see you in December, I'll show you how to add that in to a rhythm or replace another beat with. Great. Okay, I think that does it for now. I hope you practice and really go for it. So when we travel, we can play our drums, and new moon, full moon, we can play our drums. And, you know, it's such a great tool because it can really take you into a meditative state and heal you. It's wonderful. So until I see you in December, I wish you all the best. And more than anything else, keep the beat, keep the rhythm in your life, keep the harmony in your life, and happy drumming, everyone. See you in December. Bye for now.